Raymond, what is this new thing we are doing from now on?
Well, we have a live stream on YouTube as of today where we are live trading the new Platinum system in real time.
Okay, and why are we doing this?
Because we are offering a Platinum group for $1,000 in which this system is traded.
Isn't that a little bit too expensive for most people?
Yes, that's true, but for the concept behind the Platinum group we need to target the right people, not the most people.
Can you explain that a bit more, please?
Yes, of course. Suppose you are selling boats. Who would you target?
I would be looking for people who would like to buy a boat.
And what kind of people are they?
Well, probably people who already know boats or who have rented boats and now want to buy their own.
Why wouldn't you target pilots to sell a boat?
I did not say that I would not approach pilots. Maybe 1 or 2 pilots want to buy a boat too.
Yes, you could be right about that. And probably pilots are the most common buyers of airplanes. Pilots usually have a pilot's license. But do you think that the majority of boat buyers are pilots?
No, probably not.
So what would you look for?
Maybe people who have a boat license.
Yeah, I think that's a good idea. For a boat you need a boat license. And what do you need for trading?
Money.
Yes, money is one thing you need as a trader. But more important than that is the right attitude and the willingness to actually do what it takes to get a good result.
And what is that one thing that it takes?
Well, I think that's the ability to turn $1 into $2. I think the ability to do the right things in the right order is also part of that. And the third thing is the willingness to actually do what it takes to achieve a goal, even if it is to finally switch from MetaTrader 4 to MetaTrader 5.
And how do you find those people?
I simply go through the list of current customers and analyze their past behavior.
How exactly do you mean that?
Simple. I have a recent example. A young man from Munich bought something from me last week. He paid the first installment, downloaded everything, made various requests for changes, and then submitted a revocation to the sales platform and had the very first installment paid back. Do you think he belongs to the ideal target customer group for the Platinum group?
No, probably not.
Exactly. Everything is a test to pre-qualify the right people. So who would be the ideal target customer?
As you said, someone who has the money to trade. Someone who also does what is required and who has proven that in the past.
Exactly, and that's why I offer the membership for the $1,000 Platinum group only to the premium members who have already proven in the past that they meet the necessary requirements so that I can help them to achieve a good result.
Okay, what would be the next step for the people who are interested?
I would say, watch the live stream and the results. If you have the prerequisites and the necessary commitment, then the Platinum system could be the solution that is made just for you.
And what if I don't have the money or am not yet a premium member?
It's simple. I'm not running away and I'll still be around next year. If you want, you can create the necessary conditions until then, or you can program your own system. Everyone can make his or her own choice. It makes no sense to try to convince people of something. It is much better to address the people who are already convinced.
Okay, and when will the live trading start?
Technically it is set up, but at the moment it is the weekend, so the markets are closed. But on Monday the 15th of August the live stream should be up and running, provided the streaming technology willing to do its job. So if you want to have a look at the system in live mode and get a free audio course about the secrets of successful automatic trading, you can do that on the YouTube channel of algorithmictradingsystem.com.